If you're not experienced, don't come. Tecrübeli değilseniz gelmeyin ama. Tecrübeli olmayanlar kesinlikle gelmesin. Kolay değil.
No record out of days. I have no record out of days. I have no parts, no lies, no parts, no lies. I have no record.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Remo. Today we're in Derikoy. I think it's a village in Izmir. We're gonna do some trekking. I'm with Efe, Ramazan, Ozan, Semir. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all of them and we're gonna have an amazing trekking. Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part about the video. It's your boy Mo. Peace.
This is going to be the first time I actually drove the route. I looked at Google Earth. Google Earth'a bakarak bu ilk defa kendim çizdim. Şimdiye kadar hep başkasının yolundan gidiyorduk. The reason why draw it myself is I want it as short and as to the point as possible because we don't do it for sports mostly.
Okay.
We do it for scenery and to take shoots. Nasıl oluyor onu da anlatayım. Ramazan'da telefonda şey var. Benim çizdiğim haritayı yolluyorum arkadaşlara. Genelde Ramazan açıyor. Ama Ramazan'ınki bozuksa, if Ramazan is broken, o zaman diğer arkadaşlar da, bende de var aynı harita.
Merhaba.
Haritanın üzerinden bulunduğumuz noktayı görüyoruz. Şimdi bu haritayı ben size de paylaşacağım. KML dosyası yanlış hatırlamıyorsam bu. Onu paylaşacağım. Tabii şu an benim lokasyon kapalı. Lokasyon açılınca nerede olduğumuz gözükecek. Bunu paylaşacağım. İkincisi Google Earth'ten de ilk defa 3 boyutlu olarak göstereceğim gittiğimiz yeri. Bak şu anda bak noktamız burası. Şu noktadayız. Bu noktadayız. Buradan böyle gideceğiz. Buradan böyle devam edeceğiz. Şu şekilde yol. Ondan sonra patika. Bir yol olmayan böyle patika gibi bir yer. Ormanın içinden buraya. Buradan düzlemesine devam edeceğiz. Şimdi bunun üzerinde 2 boyutlu gözüktüğü için anlaşılmıyor. Ama Google Earth'te 3 boyutlu. Yani buralarda hep tırmanış var. Sonra buradan çok az bir tırmanışla şurası pik. Burada sırt. Buranın manzarası çok güzel. Etraf çok güzel gözüküyordu. Şurası da vantilatörümüz. Yani enerji santralimiz. Rüzgar enerji santrali.
Alright, so how many hours do you think it's gonna take us from here to go up?
I don't think too much.
Too much? Like
5,5 kilometre. Normally we go like 10 kilometers. This is like 5.5 times 2. It shouldn't be too much.
Alright.
Ama do you know it's all about how much you climb.
Alright.
Yani düz yolsa istediğin kadar gidebilirsin. Hiç sorun değil. Ama şeyse tırmanışsa mesela 5 kilometre bile çok ağır gelir. O yüzden kilometreden ziyade zorluk önemli. Şimdi bakacağız.
Alright.
Yani çok zor olmaması lazım. Sometimes dogs chase us.
Okay.
Bazen köpekler bizi takip ediyor en tepeye kadar. Tepede besliyoruz.
Uh-huh.
Aşağı bizimle birlikte iniyorlar. They go down with us.
Okay.
But I hope they don't this time because there was a very small one.
Okay.
I'm not sure he would make it.
Yeah.
Ama yok gitti zaten tamam.
He looks really small.
Açalım.
Alright, I'm gonna say this. I haven't trekked in like 8 years. Wait, I'm gonna cut that part. I haven't trekked in 8 years. Last time I trekked was in Switzerland. Like I explained, we went to some mountain. Is it Mount Jura or something in Geneva? It was 4 hours for us to go up and 4 hours for us to come down. And it was really beautiful. So that's that.
The problem is the GPS is not, I think the GPS is not that accurate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is supposed to be the way.
Tamam.
That's why we get lost all the time.
I believe in getting lost because when you do get lost, it becomes like an adventure. So I hope today we might get lost. Hopefully.
Well, I need people who likes to get lost.
Yani evet.
I need people in my crew who likes to get lost because
It's adventure.
it's a lot.
Yani.
We get lost a lot.
And the good thing is we have food, water, I mean basically everything we need. By the way, yeah,
Bathroom, we have the bathrooms.
evet. By the way, shout out to my girlfriend for making me an amazing cake. If you want, you can try it. She made it last
Of
night.
course.
I'm so happy about it. So yeah. Kanka bu ne?
This is olive. Or
Türkçesi?
olive. Zeytin.
Zeytin.
So they make olive oil with this.
Zeytinyağı.
olives. Yes, zeytinyağı.
Oh,
It's
çok iyi.
very delicious and healthy. So they almost rotted in this tree. Some of the olives rotted,
Okay.
but it's a good tree and it's very beautiful to have in Ege. Normally, there are not much olive trees in Turkey, but in Ege there is many of them. Also, they are very durable trees.
I think there are a lot of olive trees in Turkey çünkü you guys love zeytin yani. Gerçekten
yes.
seviyorsunuz çok. We're exploring at the same time yani. Yeni stuff. But yeah.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why
So if you get attacked by the bees, it means you're on the right place, your right spot
every time
on the map.
These are real bees yani.
Yeah.
Damn.
So the GPS messed up a little. GPS biraz sıkıntı yarattı. Yolun biraz yanında gözüküyordu. O yüzden emin değildik ama şu anda doğru yolda olduğumuzu görüyoruz. Last time we also came from here, but we took a very long route. This is why I prefer to draw my own routes, because people who draw it, they're experienced hikers and they do it for sports. So they make it long on purpose, so they see different places. So we came until here last time. O arkadaşlar şeyi hatırlıyorsunuz, daha önce bu kıyafet bulduk demiştik ya. O gündü o. Gene Mahmut'taydı ama başka bir yerden gelmiştik. Şu an bugün oradan geçmedik mesela. Gene bu noktaya geliyorduk. Çıkıyorduk. Buradan şöyle çıkıyorduk daha önce. Ama o zaman başka bir zirveye gidiyorduk. We were going to another peak. Now I think we're going to the back. Sırta gideceğiz bu sefer.
Okay.
Sırta bir şu vantilatör CHP vantilatörlerinden bir tanesine gideceğiz. Ondan sonra orada piknik olursa eğer.
got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon just in your hair and put a starlight in your eyes so
Aynen. Çıkmaya başladık ya.
I'm actually enjoying this track so much because like we get to see different things. Like example the bee stuff, and Efe probably explained it to you guys in English and Turkish, so I don't need to explain too much. All I know about bees is they make honey. O kadar. So that's that. Really? Ne oldu? Oh, so many bees. I'm gonna show you guys right now.
So we shot here before. We went here. Şey demiştim ya, kıyafetlerin olduğu yerden geçmeyeceğiz demiştim ama yanlış demişim. Kıyafetlerin olduğu yere geldik gene.
Alright, so apparently these are clothes that people steal from like somebody's bag, and then they throw away what they don't need, and then put it around.
Either they steal or it's something they don't need.
Oh, okay. So, do you think we're gonna get attacked today?
Pepper gas and Ramazan have blade. Then we have a powerful weapon called Efe.
And I have me.
He's our master.
Oh my god, that's gonna be amazing. Alright, we have pepper gas, we have Aikido master, we have blade and stuff.
I'm not a master. My master is a master. I'm just how do you say, experienced student.
But you can protect us.
We'll see.
Bakarız.
Depends
Tamam.
on the opponent.
Tamam, bakarız.
So we're going to climb there,
Okay.
and then we go straight almost.
Okay.
And then when we pass it, there has to be like a wind turbine.
Okay.
We're going to walk from a back. Yani esas amacımız o şeyi görmek değil. Rüzgar türbinini görmek değil. Ama tabii görünce de görürsek de güzel olur.
Hı hı.
Esas amacımız orada bir sırt var. O sırtın manzarası çok güzel. It's like a, how do you say, like a bridge. It's not a bridge ama it looks like a bridge.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Şöyle göstereyim. Şöyle. So we're going to be walking like this. And both sides are going to be valleys. And in here there you can see many mountains. So when it's like cold, when it snows, it's the best scenery.
Well, isn't that unfortunate that I don't have my drone?
Well,
Yeah.
hopefully you'll have the drone once this place has snow.
Uh,
So we can walk.
uh-huh.
While we're walking, the drone can come böyle from behind us. It can pass us. It's like Lord of the Rings stuff.
Evet.
We
Plus,
can
you
have
know,
some swords.
actually, you know, the drone has like some automatic features, like it follows you without you
Mhm.
controlling it.
No.
So that's easier.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
So we can follow, we can walk, and the drone can see us.
Alright. I'm gonna say this to anyone watching this. If you have the opportunity to go out and trek, definitely do it, because one is really healthy, two, you get to escape from society. Like right now, I'm not really thinking about so many things. I'm just here, walking, surviving, and being good. Yani, I think it's good for my mental health also. So that's the. Evet, o kadar. If you want to trek. If you don't want, bu senin problem yani. Really? Oh, thank God. I thought we were gonna go up there. Oh, okay. Well, apparently I thought we were gonna go up this. It looks really hard. Yani, but yeah.
We might have to still. We'll decide. If that place is impossible, then we come back here.
If that place is impossible, we're coming back to get this.
Yes. Because think that if that place is like that, how are we going to climb?
Yani evet doğru.
Böyle bir modeli 5 yıl
Uh-huh. Well, I'm gonna show you guys my view. Bak insanlar pislik ya. They're throwing everything everywhere. People.
Bir şey olmaz. Doğada karışıyor.
Yeah, but still, you can put it somewhere in like the trash or something. Do you want to say anything? Yani, ne istersen söyle. You want to say anything?
We are in December, but it's almost like a summer.
Yeah, it's actually really hot. I need to take this off.
It's not logical.
Evet,
It's not good.
çok
So
sıcak.
we are globally warming.
Evet, biraz sıkıntı.
We will have some bad days.
Evet. Apparently we're going up there. It looks really hard.
Do you see this? This is why we have forest fires. İşte yangınlar bu sebepten dolayı çıkıyor. Bunu bırakıyor şerefsizler. Neden böyle bir hareket yaparsın yani? Fucking sarhoşlar. Bir kere yolda üstüne basarsın, sakatlanırsın. İkincisi, burada güneşin gördüğü yerde bak, burada bir tane. Şöyle en azından güneş almayan yere atalım.
Tabii.
Bak. This is why. Terörist falan diyorlar ya, terörist falan değil, bu terörist işte. Bunu atanlar terörist.
Orman yangınları bu yüzden ortaya çıkıyor işte.
Bak abi.
Fucking Barzos.
Çok iyi.
I didn't know that's what caused forest fires, but I remember I was actually supporting the firefighters during the forest fire that happened recently in Turkey, all around like Marmaris and stuff. It's so weird because I went to somewhere in Marmaris, bu gibi tamam. Aynı çektim video ve benim drone. Then afterward it got burnt. It was really scary, so yeah. Please guys, try your best not to be pislik. So that's that.
Everyone says, oh, there must be so many terrorists. I don't know if there are terrorists also who do that, but we go to mountains so much, we go to forests so much, and we see so much bullshit like this. I actually wonder how we don't have more forest fires. We're lucky we don't have more forest fires. Yani this could also just burn. This place could also just burn. if this happens in
Insha-
like in
insha-
summer.
Inshallah, not today.
No, in winter no ama in summer olabilir.
Oh.
Because there is no humidity, it's very easy.
Lanet olası aşağılık pis teröristler.
So arkadaşlar, şimdi he's sharing some stuff on Patreon. We are on the track and he's still working.
Well, what can I do?
Adam çalışıyor yani. We're on the track like
Now I have to share from subscribe star.
oha. That's why there's big YouTubers and normal YouTubers and ben küçük bir yüzden I don't share that much. Yani if you guys get a video per week, you guys are lucky. Bir video hafta, they're lucky gerçekten. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys. We've been climbing for like the 30 dakika gibi, right? Yeah, we've been climbing here for like
From there, yeah.
30 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys where we were and where we are right now. We were there, and we climbed all the way up here, and we climbed all the way up here, and now we're here. We're gonna go up there. It's really hard. Like gerçekten çok zor ama yapabileceğiz. Evet. Yorgunum. Valla. He?
Kayaya bak.
Kaya ne demek?
Kaya.
Wood.
Toynak gibi.
What's that?
Taş.
Stone.
Evet.
Bring it here, let me see. Bu çok farklı ya. This is a stone.
Hayır.
What the hell? Arkadaşlar, this is a stone.
Really nigga?
Oha. Looks like a tree yani.
So this is where we have to freaking climb. I told you it's not over yet. Ama I think I climbed more once at least. So our purpose is to climb there. And once we climb, yani oraya tırmanacağız. Tırmandıktan sonra orada bir sırt olması lazım. From that back. Böyle düz gideceğiz o sırttan. Yani it's very rewarding. Eğer tırmanabilirsek manzara orada çok çok iyi. Bakalım.
Look at the view,
Doku
guys.
hissini,
Look at the view. Come on.
doku hissini
This is like
yapabiliyorlarsa
God's
bu basit de
creation.
yaparlar.
You should believe in God and
Ha,
whatever
ama
people
şu
believe in.
mekanik oluyor gene.
Energy, universe. But look at this. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. I wish I had my drone. I was gonna fly it in between the valleys and stuff.
Evet.
And I can even go up
O
to that
ileride
fan
olur.
and back.
Belki var ama bize
Sponsor me so I can fix my drone.
gizli için yani.
Yani
Şu an o olacak işte.
çok iyi.
Doğrusu o yani tamam.
Hadi gidelim. Let's go.
Bounce?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Aa yapılıyor.
İyi misiniz?
Abi sanki sola gitmemiz gerekiyor.
I'm sorry if I'm breathing too loud. We've been walking for 30 minutes without no stop. That's the peak. We're almost there. So yeah,
Small peak. It's called küçük.
I'm tired, but the view is definitely worth it. And I'm trying to catch my breath. We have like 10 minutes more to finish. Don't try this if you're unfit. That's what I'm gonna say. And I'm definitely gonna start working out more because my legs are not working at all. Yani çalışmıyorlar. Look at the view though.
little up, and we're going to see what's behind it.
Okay.
If we have to go back and up, then we're not going.
Or are we gonna have the picnic over there?
Yes,
Tamam.
if that's the case.
Tamam.
But if it's a straight line, because yani on Google Maps it was showing a straight line.
Okay.
We will. Ama you know what? It's not a straight line.
Tamam bakarız yani.
It's not a straight line because that was supposed to be it. This was supposed to be it. So it was showing a straight line. So obviously it's not a straight line. So of course we could go, ama it will be too late to come back.
What time is it now?
3.
We made it! We made it! Çok mutluyum. How many hours was that?
Lots. So I think this was the destination. Ama it's not a straight line. If it was a straight line we could just go yani for the sake of it.
You know, we need to go down and then back up.
Ama there's no point. We can go, but it will be hard to come back
Come on, let's
because we would have to climb once more.
let's
If
eat
it was
here.
straight, we could go.
Let's eat here. I think it's
Okay.
okay. Bak orada su var yani. Çok güzel.
Without realizing we came to the peak.
Yeah.
I thought we weren't going to come to the peak. Peak'e geleceğimizi sanmıyordum ha.
Şaka gibi yani.
Ramazan manzara bakıyor şeyle, with GoPro. Bak. This is probably not too windy. Now you can shoot us while eating.
Tamam. I'm gonna show you guys the view from the edge. Gerçekten burası çok iyi, çok güzel. I'm gonna say it in English again. This place is really nice. Shout out to Efe, shout out to the guys that are here. There is Ramazan, there is the one Ozen, right?
Yes.
Ozen ve Semir. Yeah. I'm sorry I don't know their name. I just met them today. But this is why we came here. So check this out.
Say to the down keepers, the sun slappers, the self soilers, the harmony ushers. Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night. Sir, flex I do work. Work 6 of 'em like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you done got me pipe. You man like Ike. 6 out the spot. Into the night.
Yeah, I'm shaking the drop. I'm still up on top. I been had the bop. The devil my op. Can't pay me to stop. My God at the top. We gon' praise our way out the grave.
Krem peynir, kahvaltılık sos, domates. Bir de ekmek.
Afiyet olsun.
Teşekkür ederim. Sağ ol.
Efe?
Eşimin yaptığı sandviç. Ama içine de özel Efe Aydal sosu, salçası koydum. Yanında da Powerade. Yeşil çünkü sarıyla maviyi karıştırdım. Üzerine tatlı olarak bunu arkadaşlarla yiyeceğiz. Kuru meyve ve kuru işte ceviz vesaire. Taze fındık vesaire. Yanında da kahve içeceğiz. Ve enerjimiz geri gelecek, zıplayacağız.
Evet. Semir?
Ben kahve ve kuru yemişi yiyorum şu an. Soğuk sandviç yedim. Bitti.
Evet.
Ben sandviç hazırlamıştım, onu yiyorum. Kuru yemişlerim var. Bunlar herkese dağıtacağım. Onun dışında elma ve havuç var. Bir de mandalina var, klasik. Bir de kahve içiyoruz, ne olsun.
I'm having a sandwich and some other things I'm gonna show you guys. But this is probably gonna be the best sandwich I've ever had. It's like having a sandwich at the top of the world. So that's that. I'm gonna say this from my experience. It was not easy, but it was definitely worth it. I'm really happy I'm here. Like the meal, I really appreciate the meal. Like I feel in tune with nature, and even every sip of water I have, it's like I'm so grateful for it. You know, I'm happy I came here. There's no noise with the city or people or anything. Just us, good energy, and nature. So I think I'm gonna end my video this side, but if there's anything more, you guys should stay tuned. It's your boy Mo. Peace. Also, if I'm ending it, like and subscribe, comment. You know, it's your boy Mo here, man. Hey.
221, where the fuck these niggas going to? I can never run, I mean, I am turning humble. I might just hold a gun, kill or be killed. All these niggas want to kill my killer first. What you gon' do? 202, where the fuck these niggas going to? It is true, I can't sit, I've been trying to humble. Not a Jew, when it's split down.
That's cool, GB. Bloopers for you guys, by the way. Behind the scenes, it looks cool, but it's cold. It's so freaking cold. Yeah. Thank you so much, brother. So the biggest terrorist is normal people. Actually, scratch that. I don't want that to be on my video. I think you guys, but I mean, Devam, let's keep walking because we're a bit waiting here. Yeah, we're exploring at the same time, yani. Yeni stuff, but yeah. Of çok sıcak. Ramazan is peeing or what? Who's peeing?
Çok fazla mantar var.
So Momo, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry to my sister and my lover. Sorry to the previous one